Hello everyone, my name is Sherline Pierre-Louis and this is my Teach 1 presentation for Propensity Scoring, Question 6. So the question is asking, at the time of each assessment, based on the patient's age and disabilities, how likely is it for the patient to die after the assessment and should they be admitted to hospice care? First, import the data into SQL. I recommend importing it as a flat file because you'll be able to rename the columns prior to importing the data into the database. The code shown changes the patient's age to the age at the time of the assessment, first by converting the yearly age to days, adding the days since the first assessment, and converting it back to years. The code also shows that the gender is changed to ones and zeros. Since the ages vary, I changed the ages to decades to be able to better predict if a patient will die after the assessment. Then I pivoted the decades to become columns. This way, age can be one of the observations. Then you'll export the data as a CSV file and then import the data into R. First, we import the data into R. Then we set up the propensity score model labeled PS model and link it to the logistic regression. Afterwards, in order to determine the value of the propensity score based off of the model, we will use the predict function. Then we need to balance the data. First, we create weights, which just says if the patient is dead, then the weight is 1 over the propensity score. If else, or if the patient is alive, the weight is 1 over 1 minus the propensity score. Then we'll apply the weights to the data. In order to interpret the results, this is one of the examples. For U-transfer, or when the patient is unable to transfer, there is a 0.038 unit increase in death after their assessment.